How to create a Zoho account, step-by-step guide. First, open your browser and type https://www.zoho.com/mail/. Make sure you're on the official Zoho website, as there are many duplicate sites out there. Always go with the genuine one. Once the site opens, you'll need to choose the type of account you want to create. You can either create a business email account, which is meant for organizations or companies and requires a paid subscription. And second is personal email account, which is completely free to use. In this video, we'll be going with the personal email option. First, enter your desired username. If the username is already taken, you'll need to choose a different one. Next, create a strong password to ensure better security for your account. After that, enter your first name. And now last name. Then, add your mobile number. Make sure the country code on the left is correct. For example, +91 for India. If you're using a number from another country, select the appropriate code. Once done, re-enter your mobile number below for confirmation. Then, check the box to accept the terms and conditions. Now, click on the Sign Up for Free button. You'll receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Open your Messages app, find the code, and enter it in the verification field. Finally, click Verify. After that, you may see a prompt asking to save your password. Click Save if you want your browser to remember it, or Never if you don't. Now we're inside Zoho. Before accessing Zoho Mail, there are a few quick setup steps to complete. Click the right arrow to move to the next screen. Here, check that your language and time zone are correct. If not, adjust them accordingly. Click the right arrow again to continue. On the next screen, select a theme based on your preference. We'll go with a light theme for this tutorial. Click the right arrow once more. And finally, select Access Zoho Mail. And that's it, you're now inside Zoho Mail. If you already have an account linked to your mobile number and can't create a new one using the same number, then you can go with the sign in using instead method. Here, you can choose a different method if you don't want to create an account using your mobile number. The available options are Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. In this tutorial, we'll continue with Google. Before proceeding, make sure you've selected the correct account type at the top, either business or personal, depending on your need. Once done, click on the Google icon to continue. Now, select the account you want to continue with. There you have two options. In the first option, you can create your account using an existing email address, such as your Google, LinkedIn, or any other email account. In the second option, you can create a new Zoho email address with the @zohomail.in domain. We'll go with the second option. Enter the username you'd like to use before @zohomail.in. Then click the Create button. After that, follow the same setup steps. Keep clicking the right arrow until you reach the end, and then select Access Zoho Mail. And that's it, you're now inside Zoho Mail. And that's how you can create Zoho Mail account. If you want to migrate your existing email data to your new Zoho account, then you can use the SysTools IMAP migration tool.